Mr. Sandy be a guy.
I'm really terrified, you know.
Hey, terrified.
Yeah, I am, because I witnessed an accident this afternoon.
Oh, where?
I can't junction anymore.
Charlie switch me a tree sharp.
Come on,
What's
to my brother? I don't know.
Switching fast.
I can't see. I some serious case means me mechanic bro. Men no matter I say.
Yeah.
Brad, Mr. Come to boom. Bibi any brad minim no but me man ya akopa man for driver mun shake car akese no enye guy cry Jerry the way they drive is very terrible into mun hwe kwa mu yi ene wuku ahu ene ye woda
sure
so I found ho sai frukunu
oh I did
me was na nra man for me bisa na ujane akwan
you snap oh Charlie Saturday who
Masai will be featuring you and Papa Bills me to Instagram. Masai will be
who steady.
Me steady than me. Nanny, and the question of the day. Mary dear free Facebook.
Okay.
Yes, say has any celebrity been rude to you?
Been rude to you?
To you. Yes, celebrity Saba baby now you rude. Or test your mukwa or mudi and mukrampa they don't respond. And yeah, so I really want to hear it from the public.
If they don't respond, they rude. I've been rude, baby. Because
why would you want
yeah, because and you see, it's no fault of us. Okay, mama, come on,
Adom.
Charlie,
Adom. There are 99 messages.
The microphone is on. Somebody is calling me on WhatsApp.
Wow, look.
How do I stop
and pick your call?
And I'm in copy.
And only they and only they say be right.
Messages be brainy at the sometimes.
And look at the fan cancer.
Madam Pamuans and I may try say may attempt to.
May I come back now? Simple. Say a straight here for. Monsaka your numbers. I'm going to Quena.
Yes, I'm rude.
Obi friend me from Italy. Say ordinance me to nam se blind to samada. Na me ka take on. Munye numbers are monton but make a rudeness in the sense of maybe I wish ya no and now you say eh you get this cholome. Obi ni twapecha or so ni ncha. Because even if any man crack you know it's no rude na maybe since a celebrity be rude to you mon can share me na ye mon na chisi ye try mo message see there and then no me call Twitter me who say boy be a tro Jerry we be ma maybe sa wa adwen or say many girls are single because they dress too classy it drives the guys away you say your dress change na
e me man na amuni akukudru
na me dey very quiet dey yen ho basa na
no see na unim say the same thing so e ma bi so timi ka say e me ma bi unim say you catch him say me she likes me but I'm too expensive
it means me your oh say no be sure
you when I'm catching so uni akudru
it is anya fine mommy and rest
in a way some dress me if but e man bi so timi ma fede na
of him I forget it of him cry Jackie appear packing a car African obet me approach you Jackie I like you know like nigga I akokodro
excuse
you nigga I akokodro into omonya wild and then you bebo bread bi abaso Brano wa music industry nim for 22 years Braja me bo so bo pesa me bo niema wa ye Jia ni abona baso ono okansa ankofo na omo hip live group our Ghana Music Awards first group no okansa ankofo no the first ever Ghana Music Awards on so prestigious VGMA at 2009 and already hip hop artist of the year video of the year like Warini Bebre I could go on and on was a performer Apollo Theater on the Basta Rhymes Amachi Dede the band Wizkid way back and son a man for better Apollo Theater ya omo ye hu dede was also releasing 9 studio albums
now can I say no
that me person me bobo na Ghana phones brana ye adwuma we're releasing 9 studio albums and why over 230 collaborations ewo Ghana ha meche local and international on your regular artist brand will master's degree or also degree from KNUST or you made in Ghana ambassador or your tourism ambassador or your wear Ghana ambassador or promoting Ghana or coin bia so what's another make us no penny tourism ambassador me who say promoting made in Ghana or so can for the past 10 years no 100 most influential people no or can home or chame kwame penny nyum to near Otimidinyum national development ebonyum emanico international ema ebona baso global development breya mechanism none other than Ochiame Why Juma? And it's funny how nobody is talking about the fact that Brana Juma 22 years. But the man in Pioto. Ubon Senka or trending. It's Momi and Monabaso. Yeah, Bonabaso and Kaine Anika. She's done marvelous job. Oh, Charlie, sister Nina, say all girls ever support Mohoka for to say the sister Jerry and Kenny had times Papa Bill singing no worry. Now was worried the Semiana Meshe. Now when you are by Miss Mawari di Mochiane Adi. Now Yadenga Mias.
Not answer.
I'm paying for I don't know what kind of guy. It's all Chame Kwame. Why, dear? Why, any my be brain to Ghana for Mommy and Monabaso. And to answer, I bet disrespect to our chairman, making sure so we're industry 22 years before we can talk. Because I'm from Sunday, celebrities on my route. I may say, a business say, Matthias, Ghana celebrities on Mugina, Papa, because we'll be on testation, my. Let's say good news. Come church and ever Ghana and Penny Fodri and one video. No.
Come chacha.
Oh, well, Frey to McCroy black. Or Sagan and Penny Fua, Munim Nam 1. Sikadian who be biano. First of all, Munyako Mayare. Munyako Mayare. I feel Chiomo. And for Muminim, no Mungu. So for oil black no coming and Miss oil crow. Nay, yen Thomas, so dear hay. So her na person cash up now. Papa feel free, will be on your hay. It's good church and who you know. Or tell you Beraha Montiana Mamawati. Because I said you who you know. I'm an inch that ain't your home. Hey, Mammy Kunedo, say how old is what Chame Kwame? Papa Bill said you over to you. How old is what Chame Kwame? I'm not saying
50 crowd.
Or 65. I want to just already 22 years so industry anymore. Also, what he's saying, Richard Cappy, or say I think he wanted to say the makeups are too much. Hey, Emmanuel friend Paul, sister Sunny be a guy, refused to give a handshake, not even talking about taking a picture with me. Hey, what do you mean? Hey, why? Me, I'm a TN will be by my power. Say, well, Brian, get me, fast a moment, I'm crying. I mean, yes, hey, I we say, let's appreciate the people we hustle with from the beginning. Upcoming for no, Obonso on your baby, I brought in Fifra, no bad make any school fees, not the Marco studio session. One tidy shemia, you force to no support. When you want, he'd say Kim. Then man started to be do a chair. None the refuse on you being a chassis, and you're fine. Or Monshan and Sonomon Fasa could any tracing and fat on home. Nipa one in the chassis, I brought out what show no. Jerry, no, Nebula no.
Oh, I.
And I make on him a dream.
No, I dream.
Kebi, Kebi.
Oh, Tino, no money,
best that you crumpa. It's only will be chassis. I mean you and man, it's a chat to me, DJ Quino. Obisi ordinary software air courts because the software shine the boss say beginning of the year obisi dan to car ya red July mu cement to car one top back country ho it ordinary software courts after me patch for my software waiting no there was obisi dan to car beginning of the year it one to so on trace cement back correct no Brajery so come Omo reply, you know.
Omo reply. Reply them I catch them and yet the omo best and the best son.
Na Japan. I say Sunday date na mo nim se maware. Ma me sorry.
Omso dey.
Obi bisa se me date and na me sente maware ya wutu no monte.
Oh jai me nri. Ompe wa pe omdu ai. Eni ajuboza. Boza. I was here to see a happy birthday going on.